In this video, I'll guide you through how you can add a new location on Google Map. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. At the beginning, you need to open Google Maps. Now you have to find the map where you want to add the location. Let's think if you want to add the location on this place. So let long press on it, then this option will be appear. To drop a pin, you need to click on Add Label. Now type the location name here and checkmark this icon. Now you have to make sure this location will be show up on your device only. To add location for all the user, let's close it and expand contribute and click on add place. Now type a place name here. Now you have to add a category and address. To set the location, you need to click on edit map location and that will point the right place. Once you do it, then click on OK. After fill up all the details, then click on submit button. By following this tutorial, you can easily add a new location on Google Maps.